Hi, in this video, I'm going to highlight phrasal verbs. Now, phrasal verb is a combination of verb and preposition. As you can see, I have two items in my hand, and let's go. Now, this is a plastic container. This is also another container, but it's smaller. So let's go. Put inside. You see that? You see that? I put inside the bigger container. I take out the container. I take out. I put in. Now look at this. I placed the container in front of the other container. I placed it in front. I placed this container beside the other container. Beside. On the right. Now I place the smaller container to the left of the other container. So it's beside or next to. Look, container behind. I placed it behind the other container, and I also can place it in front. Now if I choose to, I can put the bigger container on top of the other container. On top of. So I place this on top, as you can see. This is at the bottom, this is on top. I can do vice versa, but if I do vice versa, it's going to fall inside. So the container went inside the other container. Okay? So I hope you've benefited a lot from this. Please review the video, go over it again, and practice these phrasal verbs and also these prepositions. Thank you. Chat with you later. Bye.